What do all of these JPEGs have in common? It may be hard to believe, but some of these tiny JPEGs you're seeing on the screen are selling for millions of dollars. And no, that's not a joke. Truth is, they're not even really JPEGs at all. They are more commonly referred to as NFTs, or more precisely, non-fungible tokens. There is a lot more to these images than meets the eye. For example, this image was completed by an artist known as Beeple, and until recently the most he had ever sold a print for was $100. That said, in March, this digital artwork sold for $69 million at Christie's. The sale positioned him among the top 3 most valuable living artists according to the auction house, and there are tons of examples of NFTs selling for hundreds, thousands, and even millions of dollars. You may be asking yourself, how can someone own an original copy of digital art that anyone can screenshot? This is accomplished by selling the art as a non-fungible token, which acts as a digital certificate of authenticity. So what is an NFT? Well, it stands for non-fungible token. And to understand how a non-fungible token works, you need to understand the concept of fungibility. The definition of a fungible asset is as follows: easy to exchange or trade for something else of the same type and value. A non-fungible asset, therefore, must have the opposite characteristics to this definition. Those elements are uniqueness, irreplaceability, and non-interchangeability. An example of a fungible asset is currency. If you were to lend your friend a $100 bill, it does not matter to you if your friend pays you back with a different $100 bill, as it's mutually substitutable. In the same sense, your friend could pay you back with 5 $20 bills, and you would still be satisfied since the total equals $100. Conversely, an example of non-fungibility is if you were to lend your friend your bicycle. It is not acceptable for your friend to return a different bicycle, even if it's the same brand and model as the original bike you lent him. Bikes are not fungible with respect to ownership. Other examples of non-fungible assets are things like diamonds, land, and baseball cards, because each unit has unique qualities that add or subtract to the value. Another example of non-fungible assets is art. Take, for example, The Persistence of Memory by none other than Salvador Dali. You can't just swap this out for a reproduction or a print, as it will never hold the same value as the original. Much like this original piece of art, the same is true for the digital art craze known as NFTs. You have a digital signature on the blockchain that verifies via recorded information that the holder of this piece does in fact own the original. This information is encrypted and immutable, meaning it is unchanging over time and unable to be changed. NFTs live on the blockchain as a string of numbers and letters, just like cryptocurrency. In fact, NFTs are a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin, but unlike fungible tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are completely unique. This fixes a problem for digital creators on the internet by driving scarcity and simultaneously being able to verify ownership. NFTs are literally taking the world by storm. They've been plastered all over every major media outlet, and for the first time, global search interest for NFTs has surpassed that of cryptocurrency. Non-fungible tokens are even making their way into the mainstream art world. Christie's auction house opened bidding for its first purely digital art NFT, and bids rocketed into the millions. The most bullish piece of news in recent history for NFTs is when Facebook changed their name to Meta. You may be asking why this is relevant, and it's because the metaverse will be built on the blockchain, and the avatars we use in the metaverse will be acquired via NFTs. The market for NFTs has been around for a while. After gaining popularity, it really started its climb, as you see, in the beginning of February 2021, before going absolutely parabolic, reaching a market cap of $10 billion by the end of December 2021. With numbers like this, NFTs are on everyone's mind, but most people are wondering why these pieces of digital art are worth so much money. In future videos, we will cover the use cases of NFTs, which have a wide range of uses from profile pictures to launch pads for the artist, uses in the metaverse, utility, as well as the smart contracts that make the NFTs a powerhouse of untapped resources. We will continue this training series called the NFT Academy, and each week we will be releasing new videos stepping you all the way through from what is an NFT, how to purchase an NFT, how to make money by buying and selling NFTs, and also how to prevent fraud and being scammed in this space. As with any big technology change, there is an immense amount of scams, so you do need to be cautious as a newcomer to the space, and that is why you should join a good group such as the NFT Academy by the PRD Show. Any of the links below, please feel free to contact us and reach out at any time as you start your NFT journey. The last thing I'll ask is that you please do us a favor and subscribe and hit the like button if you found any of this information available, as that will help us overcome the YouTube algorithm and get this message out to the masses, as we believe we're bringing very useful and valuable information that will guide them on their NFT journey. Thank you for being here.